Okay, right, all of you. So I hope you can see my screen. Okay, right. So good evening, everybody. My name is Suresh Vadde. So I'm the trainer for SQL Server development from DurgaSoft. So I have around 20 years of experience in IT industry. I worked into various technologies like SQL, Oracle, SQL developer, administrator, Oracle developer, PLSQL developer. In the same way, MSBI development, Power BI development. Okay. So today, I mean now, now I'm working in some organization. I'm working with two different projects. Clients are from USA, right? One project is from New York location, and one project is from Chicago. Codes related database. New York database is healthcare details. Health, not healthcare exactly. I can say that is health insurance related. Okay. So in those projects, we are working with Microsoft SQL Server database only. Of course, along with SQL Server database, we are working with some other scenarios like .NET, Visual Studio, Microsoft Business Intelligence tools, Power BI tool, even some other technologies also there in those projects. But I'm purely related to database environment. So Microsoft SQL Server environment. So I'm giving trainings from 2004 onwards. Okay. You can see some of my videos in YouTube. If you search for SQL Server training or SQL Server DBA training from DurgaSoft Vadde Suresh, you can see my videos in YouTube. Okay. Coming to next scenario, today we are going to start with the SQL Server development training. So before going to start SQL Server development environment, we are going to work with some introduction part. So what is SQL Server development? What are the things there? Everything I want to explain clearly. Right. See now, coming to next scenario. What is the purpose of database? Because SQL Server is RDBMS database. So what is the purpose of database? See, databases are used to store different types of data, information. So generally what happens, in real time, maximum projects contains different scenarios like this. See, so this is known as application layer, and this is known as a database layer. See, this is symbol of the databases. We call this symbol as a cylinder symbol. Okay. So now, generally end users will be there for project. End user means what? End user means application user. We call them as customers. Right. Suppose here we have end user like this. See, this end user is going to interact with application. By using application, they are going to store data into databases. So why end user is going to interact with the databases through application? This is common question. For example, you take banks. You all having bank accounts, right? You can go for online bank access. How you are accessing your bank account online? By using bank application only, right? Suppose you have some bank account, you can connect it to bank app. We call it as the app. Nowadays, we install apps, bank apps in mobiles. From there only we are operating bank accounts, right? Okay, na? You install app. In an app, you are going to perform different operations. For example, you have a bank account. So withdrawals, deposits, of course, not a deposits, online transfer kind of operations you can do from your bank only, application only, right? So coming to next scenario, see, suppose you transferred amount to somebody, or you received amounts from somebody. That means what happens? Tell me. You are doing some modifications in the bank database. Am I right or not? So do you know where is your bank database located? No, we don't know. We don't know where is our bank database located, but still we are accessing database, we are doing operations. Same thing happens in real-time environment. See, customers are going to interact with the databases by using application layer only, no doubt. Directly, customer cannot interact with the databases. Okay, that's why. Who is going to interact with the databases directly? SQL Server developer and SQL Server DB. SQL Server developer and SQL Server DB, right? So now coming to next scenario. Somebody asked me some questions here. Sir, why we are using databases? Because database is costliest. See, if you want to work with the databases, you have to purchase software, hardware, and you have to recruit software engineers for development purpose and support purpose. So it becomes costliest, no doubt. Then why you are going for databases, sir? You can go for file system, right? You have different types of files, like suppose Notepad files, WordPad files, Excel files, Word files, different types of files we have. Because file is not costliest, right? So you can store data in the form of files. Why you are going for databases? The reason is, why I'm going for databases? Reason is security and performance. Security, you know very well. So what is performance? Performance means speed, accessing speed of the databases comes under performance. See here, for example, there is some website which contains movies. So you connected to website, you clicked on some movie, it is playing, you feel happy. You feel happy, right? For example, you clicked on video, but it is taking time to play. You feel bad. Sometimes you feel irritation, right? Because you are customer of the website. Same feeling will be there for your customer if you cannot provide performance to your database. Am I right or not? Right? So because of that reason only, we should provide security to data. In the same way, we should provide performance to the database. Suppose you are working with the file system, it is not possible. You cannot do these tasks. Okay. Suppose you are working with the RDBMS databases, you can provide security, you can provide performance. In what is this RDBMS, sir? What is this RDBMS? See, RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. Okay. See, RDBMS databases familiar in the IT market nowadays because they contains lot of features. See, we feel like RDBMS from Microsoft Corporation or somebody. No, RDBMS is theory part which was developed by Mr. E.F. Codd, CODD in 1970s. By following RDBMS properties, rules or regulations, I can say RDBMS properties, different companies developed their database products. SQL Server is from Microsoft Corporation. So not only Microsoft SQL Server, there are a lot of products in the market, RDBMS products. I think you know some of them: Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Teradata, MS Access, IBM DB2, Database 2000. Different RDBMS databases there in the market. But I can say Microsoft SQL Server is familiar RDBMS in the market. So how can you say familiar? Based upon usage only. Max companies are working with maximum companies are working with the Microsoft SQL Server as their database. That's why I can say it is familiar RDBMS in the market. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Let's go back to RDBMS. What is this RDBMS? And why we need to work with RDBMS databases? See, listen carefully. In RDBMS databases, you can store data only in the form of tables. What table contains? Tell me. Columns and rows. So table structure, column names. Data will be there in the form of rows. Okay, na? In the beginning, we are going to create table structure, I mean columns. Then we are going to insert data, I mean rows. Okay, forget about rows. So your major advantage of working with RDBMS databases is tables only. Okay, sir, how tables advantage? Tell me, explain clearly. For example, I have different tables in my database. Suppose employee table, department table. Okay, I want to retrieve data from employee table, department table. Retrieval means what? Data retrieval operation. What is there in the table? I want to see. We call it as query. You heard that word, right? Query. So what to do? Tell me. You have to write separate queries for employee table, separate queries for department table. So we have different tables. We want to retrieve data from different tables. So we are writing different queries. We are going for multiple executions. Suppose you are going for multiple executions, what happens? You know, burden will be more on your SQL server. And you are going to face performance related issues. Okay. Na? So to avoid this problem, what we can do, you know, we can create relation between tables, employee department tables. So within single attempt, you can retrieve data from employee table and the department table. Employee table and the department table. So what you are doing, tell me here, you are minimizing number of executions. So automatically performance of the database will be increased. Okay, sir, whatever you are discussing, that is looking fine. But how can you create relations between tables? Because you are only saying there are different tables, right? See, suppose there is some common column department number in the tables. Employee table contains department number column. Department table contains department number column. So easily you can go for relation between tables, right? How can you maintain common column? Why not? Why not? That is what my requirement, right? Okay, na? So this is the major advantage of working with RDBMS databases. Relation between tables. What is the meaning of relation between tables? Creating internal dependencies between tables. Okay. Creating internal dependencies between tables is known as relation. What is the base for RDBMS? Tell me. Relational database management system. That is the base for RDBMS databases, right? Okay. Na? So coming to next scenario, I'm going to work with other advantages with RDBMS. See what happens, here in RDBMS databases, we can go for login and password, right? So by using logins and password management, we can provide security for the users, our customers data, right? Different password management is also there. Password encryption, right? Password expiration, and define lifetime for the password. So this type of things we can do. So security can be imposed. Then we can go for something called as constraints. Constraints means spell mistake is there. Don't mind. Suppose you have some table, employee table. Employee table contains employee number column. You don't want to allow duplicate data and null values into employee number. I mean, nobody can insert. Okay. Nobody can insert null values and duplicate data into employee number, because employee number, it should be unique, right? For example, you have a bank account number that should be unique. Am I right or not? Is it clear? So we cannot say like every user, oh, please, these are the numbers existing in that column. Please don't insert same number. We cannot say like that, right? Because lot of customers will be there. They're going to work with our databases, right? That's why we should impose something on that column, which is not going to allow duplicate data, null values. Yes, I can do that. Constraints concept. I think some of you are aware of primary key. I can create primary key and employee number, so I can avoid duplicates, null values in that type of columns. Okay, na? Yeah. Coming to next scenario, I can go for performance tuning related scenarios. Performance tuning means you should try to finish task within less amount of time. If you can go for task execution within less amount of time, so that database performance will be increased. Suppose something like joins concept, subqueries concept, views concept, indexes concept. So different types of concepts we can implement. Here, important thing is stored procedures here. Stored procedures. It's very important topic of the SQL Server developers. RDBMS databases. Improving performance. So if you're okay, I want to go, because it is just demo only. Of course, first class also. First class also, of course. Generally, what happens, for example, you are going to execute something in our database. So your database will create execution plan for that. For that, your database will create execution plan. Execution plan means what, sir? It is step by step process to complete execution of the queries in the databases. Here also, in every execution, suppose you are executing some query, some execution plan will be prepared by SQL. Suppose you are executing some other query, some other execution plan will be prepared by SQL. In this way, if you are working with more number of executions, you will get more number of execution plans. So that is also create troubles to you. So suppose you are going for this topic, code procedures topic, by using same execution plan, same task, by using same execution plan, you can work with multiple scenarios, multiple executions. So what happens? Performance, right? Performance. So in the same way, coming to SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server, suppose you installed SQL Server, in same server, you can create multiple databases in the same server. Sir, don't create confusion, sir. What is SQL Server? What is database? SQL Server itself database, right? Why you are creating confusion? No. I am not going to create any confusion here. For example, this is your computer. Just assume, please. Okay, na? This is your computer. In this computer, you installed SQL Server. Okay. In this computer, you installed SQL Server. So in this SQL Server, we are going to create database like this. In this database, we are going to create tables. In tables, we are going to store data. So how many times you install SQL Server in this computer? Only one time only. But you can create any number of databases. Any number of databases. That's okay. Why we need multiple databases? For example, you have different projects or different scenarios in our organization. You want to maintain separate databases. Install SQL and create separate databases. There ends the matter, right? Otherwise, what to do? For every database, you have to go for separate server. It becomes costliest. Am I right or not? It becomes costliest, no doubt, yeah. That is the reason. Okay. So coming to next scenario. In this SQL part, Microsoft SQL Server developer part. So what are the things we are going to discuss? See, basically SQL stands for Structured Query Language. This is common language for database development. Generally, we feel like SQL is from Microsoft Corporation because we are working with Microsoft SQL Server. No, only. No. SQL language is from RDBMS only. By using SQL, different companies developed their database products. You go to any RDBMS database. You go to any RDBMS database, there you are going to work with structured query language, no doubt. Okay, na? Right? Coming to next scenario, we type it as SQL, but we call it as SQL. Why? Because in earlier days of database development, 1970s, there was common language called as Structured English Query Language, SQL. But now it is shortened. It is only SQL, only Structured Query Language. Okay. See here, this language contains sublanguages also. Suppose DDL, Data Definition Language, DML, Data Manipulation Language, DRL, Data Retrieval Language, TCL, Transaction Control Language, DCL, Data Control Language. Actually, you please concentrate on DRL part, Data Retrieval Language, select statement, queries pattern. Of course, I'm going to discuss DDL, DML, DRL, TCL, DCL, everything I'm going to discuss. Of course. But I'm suggesting you please concentrate on DRL because most regular operation in SQL Server database is DRL. Select a statement, a data retrieval operation. Queries part. Okay, now? Because of that reason, almost 200 queries, almost 200 queries assignment we are going to give you. Yes, we are going to provide assignments. Queries assignments. Okay. That is the importance of DRL. That is the importance of DRL. In the same way, along with SQL Server. So in this, SQL part is there. I mean, programs also there. Commands we are going to discuss after finishing commands queries. We are going to work with programs. Programming part. But remember, these are all commands part, programs part comes under pure SQL Server development only. Everything will be covered. If you can download course content from Durgasoft website.
Hello.
Yeah, Avinash, tell me.
Hey, hi, good evening, sir. So actually, I am looking my career path for doing Power BI, but for that, the basic of SQL is required. So as you are experienced, so can you tell me that if I do this course,
I'm
that will
going
be
to
enough
discuss
for
that.
Power BI?
I'm going to discuss that, Avinash. Okay, right?
Okay, cool. Great. Thanks.
So coming to next scenario. Now, along with SQL Server development, we are going to discuss some scenarios from database administration in this training only. Suppose how to create database, backup database, restore database, security part, complete security part. Logins creation, provide permissions, cancel permissions, users. What is Orphan users? That also we are going to discuss. In the same way, I'm going to explain something about SSIS and SSRS. Only introduction. Don't expect much. What is SSIS? What is SSRS? Tools. They are MSBI, Microsoft Business Intelligence tools. SSIS is ETL tool. SSRS is reporting tool. That also I'm going to explain something. In the same way, some important topics of the performance tuning like indexes, index fragmentation issues, locks, deadlocks, blocking issues, right? In the same way, space related issues in databases. So there also we are going to discuss. Profiler tool we are going to discuss. These are all will be there in this training. So coming to next scenario, suppose I finished this training. What are the jobs I can apply? Amit, please mute Amit. So here, freshers, they need database knowledge and programming knowledge. Mandatory, right? In the same way, of course, SQL developer position. SQL DBA position, database administrator position requires this part. In the same way, ETL developers, MSBI, SSIS, some other ETL tools there in the market. So report tools like SSRS, Power BI, Tableau tools, some other tools, lot of tools there, report tools there in the market right nowadays. They all need SQL developer knowledge. Testing team. Testing tools people requires SQL Server development knowledge. Spell mistakes, yeah. Why it is happening? You feel like he don't know English. Am I right or not? Of course. You all good. Don't feel like that, right? Okay. So testing tools. In the same way, programmers, Java programmer, .NET programmer, So designing people, right? Different people requires SQL Server development knowledge. See, somebody asked me, Avinash, I think, Power BI developer. Power BI is visualization tool, data analysis tool, report tool. So report tool, why we need SQL? Because in report tool, we are going to work with some transformations, functions, filters, DAX functions. Something is there in Power BI, Tableau, SSIS, SSRS, SSAS. Some people says that if you want to work with the data warehouse tools, no need of SQL knowledge. Or they say you, if you know basics of the SQL, you can work with the data warehouse tools. I don't think so. What is the meaning of basics? Tell me. Right? If you are beginner, there is no basic. Everything is important. If you know something, you feel like beginning concepts as basics. That's why everything is important. There is no scenario like basics. Okay. So better to learn complete SQL Server development. Okay, for Power BI, Tableau. Nowadays, trending tools, ETL tools in the market as trending means not like cinema, serials or something. Career based. I'm talking because we are getting lot of openings and jobs for Tableau and Power BI, right? But there you need SQL developer knowledge, no doubt. We are going to start Power BI new batch. I'm the trainer for Power BI. We are going to start a new batch on Monday, coming Monday, morning 7 o'clock. Right? So SQL Server is mandatory. So coming to next scenario, suppose you got job. Some organization you got job as software engineer. Your role is related to SQL Server databases. So what are the different servers I'm going to work in my environment? What are the different servers I'm going to work in my environment? See, minimum 3 servers will be there. I'm sorry, Andy. What are those servers? So this is known as a development server. Sorry, again spell mistake here. I'm sorry. Who is going to work with the development server? Developers. SQL Server developers are going to work with the development environment and they're going to develop the database. Okay, what is the meaning of development? Tell me. Creating tables, writing commands, writing queries, writing programs comes under development. This is the course we started today. This is the course training we started today. After development, it goes to QA and actually. In this testing engineers team will be there. Okay. They are going to, let's make it test engineers. Looks good. Looks good, right? They're going to develop test the database developed by developers. After that, your database goes to production. In production, DBA, database administrator, DBA, database administration team will be there. See, we are going to store end users data in production only. Coming to QA environment, development environment, we are going to work with the test data. Generally, in real time, I think you heard some words like deployment, go live, landing, database refresh. This type of words you heard, I think, right? Some of you. Some of you. Deployment means simple. You developed your database, testing is done. Then install it into production. That means where your project is going to start, tell me. Where your project is going to start? From development only. There is no developer, there is no project only, no doubt. DBA cannot perform development related tasks. DBA role is entirely different. DBA role is support role and entirely different. Supporting databases, supporting users, user operations, supporting servers, that is DBA role. Okay, now? So developer role is important. Here, some people says, do you know queries? What is that? The development only. SQL Server development only. Okay, na? So these are the things we are going to discuss in this training. These are the advantages. Advantages from Microsoft SQL Server developer training. So next to your question is some common questions. I will ask question, I'll answer myself. Okay, na? Sir, how can I practice SQL Server? Yes, I'm taking care of installation. I can install SQL Server in your laptop only, right? I can create database for practice purpose. So don't worry about installations database. Next question, duration of the course. It takes around 30 days. Monday to Friday, weekly 5 classes, Saturday, Sunday, no class, daily 1 hour class will be there, one hour. So we will give you access to class recordings. This class already recorded.
So 30 days or 30 sessions?
You'll get around 25 videos, Devi Prasad. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So we are going to provide you soft copy of the interview questions, soft copy of the assignments. When material is not there because we are giving recordings. If it is direct classroom training, I can give you notes, but it is not classroom training, online training. So we cannot provide you notes. That's why we are giving you recordings. Okay, na? So this is the thing. Any doubts? I mean, related to our subject, you can ask me. Suppose today we discussed something, you go for practice. You'll get some doubts in the beginning of tomorrow's class. You can discuss with me, no problem. Okay, na? This is the thing. Sometimes I said 30 days. Sometimes it takes some more time also. That I cannot say. Depends. So these are the things from our end. For this training. Now, if you have any questions, please go ahead. Please.
Sir, sir, my name is Amit, sir. I'm currently taking Power BI classes, sir. So that's why I want MySQL and MSBI also, sir. Can you teach MSBI also, sir?
MSBI, right now we don't have any batches. We are planning to start in mostly next month we will start. But this week we started DB and development. So next week Monday we are going to start Power BI morning 7 o'clock India time. So so that I will not get this. Mostly we'll start MSBI next month.
Okay, sir. But it is a regular class for daily 7 p.m. sir. SQL Server.
SQL Server same time. No changes in the timing.
7 to 8 o'clock, sir. Daily.
7 to 8 India time evening.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Right. So any questions? Anybody, please?
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Good
please
evening,
tell me,
sir.
Kumar.
Sir, can I get what are the topics will be covered in
Kumar, actually go to Durgasoft website. There you can see TSQL online contents or SQL Server developer content. Please download it from there. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay, right.
Hello, sir.
Ashok, tell me.
Are you providing videos as a Google Drive or sending the email?
No. We are not sending. We are not giving download. Accessing only Google Drive.
Google Drive. And one more doubt, sir. Are you providing DBA classes also along with SQL Server?
SQL Server training is different. SQL Server DBA training is different. Ashok, we started SQL Server DBA training today only, morning 8 o'clock.
Yeah. You told us, DBA. I am teaching some classes in DBA in this section.
Yes, some only, right, Ashok? Some DBA
okay.
topics. Some DBA topics we are discussing in SQL developer, but not complete DBA.
Oh, okay. Fine.
Okay, no? Right. Anybody, please? Any questions? Piyush, Venu, Srimat, Kavita Balaji, Lingana, Janardhan. Anybody?
We'll have to learn SQL, sir. Then only
Sorry?
we can understand MSBI, sir.
Better.
Sir, అంటే మనం ఫస్ట్ SQL సర్వర్ నేర్చుకుంటే
better
తర్వాత
to-
మనకి MSBI అర్థమవుతుంది, sir.
Yeah. Better to go for SQL server in the beginning than go for MSBI. That's better, I think. My opinion, just my opinion only. Okay, now? Right? Better you
Hello,
follow my opinion. Kavita, tell me, please.
hello, sir. Actually, I'm new to IT. I don't have any IT background. If I do this course, you said I can apply for both DB and developer.
Not for DB and developer. You can apply for only developer. DBA, see, we are not going to discuss complete DBA this training. Only some scenarios from DBA we are discussing in development, right, Kavita? So if you want to apply for developer, this is enough. If you want to apply for a DBA and a developer, you please attend a DBA training also. Started in the morning 8 o'clock.
Today only it is started.
Today only in demo session done. Tomorrow morning 8 o'clock regular class.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, that is for DBA. Development, same link, same time, 7 p.m. IST only. Tomorrow onwards.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Right. Anybody, please, any questions?
Hi, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, Lingana, tell me.
Yeah, sir. I'm planning to learn MSBI also. You told me so starting next month.
No,
So,
next month. See
this
why I'm saying next month, today it's already 15th, right?
Yes.
We have only 2 more weeks in this month, right? So next month, first week, we will start MSBI because we have lot of inquiries for MSBI, but suddenly we announced Power BI in the next week. That's why first week of the October, we will start MSBI training. Okay, right? So by that time, you can finish at least 2 weeks SQL training, right, Lingan?
Yeah, sir.
That will help you.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Right.
Thank you,
MSBI
sir.
batch in morning batch or evening batch next month onwards?
Sahu, mostly MSBI will start in the evening only.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Evening only. Okay, na?
okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Right.
Hello.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I'm Chirayu.
Chirayu,
Uh, I'm also learning C# and Python. So
Oh.
in this course, will it cover some basic communication, how we can connect with the SQL?
Actually, that is different scenario, but at the ending of the training, if you remind me, I'll explain you clearly. Okay, na?
Okay.
So connection strings will be there between front end and back end.
Okay.
Front end and back end connection strings. I'll give you some website also. It gives complete connection strings related information, Chirayu. Okay, na?
Okay. And sir, means I have one project with me. So it is for my current company.
Right.
So I'm making one sample project for my company. So means I also want to learn some basics how I with this course. So is it possible?
That means it will help you in databases only. Okay?
Yeah. Related to it only.
It will help you. It will help you. Okay, na?
Okay.
Right. Because I
Hi,
like.
sir.
Tell me, please.
Sir, for practice purpose, you are giving any backup file or how it is? So you
Backup
told me.
file. I'm
Relationship.
giving backup
So
file.
that purpose will-
I'm giving you backup file. You can restore
Okay.
database. Okay, na?
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Don't worry. You something you need, you ask me. If I can provide, I will provide. Don't worry about that. If I cannot provide, I'll tell you directly. Please, I cannot provide like that. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Right. Anybody, any questions, please?
Sir, today only one demo class or tomorrow also?
Actually, this is where first class of the training. We make it as a demo. That means training started today. You can attend tomorrow's class also, no problem. You can check with the trainer, like you are able to follow trainer or not. Your trainer is capable or not. You can check tomorrow's class also. Why not? Okay,
Okay. Okay.
no problem. Srimat,
Sir,
tell me.
is there any example projects will be available in this training?
See, somebody says we are providing project, but I don't believe projects because we can do projects in real time only. Practice
Okay.
environment, we cannot work with these things. But that's why I'm giving you assignments, Chiray. I'm giving you assignments for queries and programs also. I'm giving
Okay.
you assignments for queries and programs also. Okay, na? Right?
Okay.
Okay, Suresh garu.
Srimat, tell me.
Srikanth ni.
Hmm.
Classes actually ga institute వాళ్ళు evening 7 to 8 అన్నారు.
Yes, 7 to 8 only. Correct.
ఓకే ఫైన్. యాక్చువల్ గా నాకు SQL సర్వర్ చాలు. మీరు చెప్పేది ఓన్లీ SQL సర్వరా లేకుంటే అంటే నాకు కొన్ని డౌట్స్, పెద్ద వేరియేషన్స్ ఏమి ఉండవు.
SQL server only.
ఓన్లీ SQL సర్వర్.
Right.
ఓకే, ఈజ్ ఇట్ యూస్ఫుల్ ఫర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేటిక్, రైట్?
Yeah, why not?
And including store procedures and configs tables, everything will
You do one thing and you just go to Durgasoft website. There you can see content. Okay, na?
okay.
Download
Content
content. You can see what are the things will be covered, right?
Okay, fine, Andy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello,
thank
sir.
you.
Yeah, please.
Sir, total how many classes will be?
You will get 25 videos, Kumar.
Okay.
Around 25 means suppose you got only 24. Sir, you said 25, but I got 24. Give me one more.
No,
like
no, sir,
that.
not
Around
like that.
25. Yes, I'm kidding. Don't mind. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Right.
Sir, actually, sir, one thing to ask. Actually, I have an aspiration to become to make a career in data analytics and all that.
Data analysis means you have to go for data analysis tools like Power BI or Tableau. Even for them also, SQL is required, right?
Sir, though I know SQL, but I have a hope that I mean I joined the session. I mean, by considering that I will learn the advanced things. So
Definitely.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, we will be provided the recordings of the classes also.
Recording classes we are providing, but only access. Online
Yes,
access.
yes. Yeah, only access, sir. Because sir, somehow if there is some kind of emergency and someone misses the class, then
Yeah, you
they
can
will-
follow recordings, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Something you cannot understand, you can ask me in the next class. Don't worry about that.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, right, guys. So, any other questions? Or that's it for today. Somebody not asked questions. I know that they're going to ask questions once we start practicals. Right?
Hello, sir.
Lingamma, tell me.
Sir, regarding MSBI, so it will, how many days to take the time, sir? So next month you
MSBI
are starting.
takes around 30 days, because after finishing SQL only we are going to start MSBI, right? It takes 30 days.
Okay. After duration, how many months? So after starting onwards, it will take 1 month or 2 months.
No, Lingana, please repeat question, please.
So if you start next month onwards, for the end of the course, so how many days it will take time?
1 month, 1 month.
Oh, okay, sir, fine.
Sir, hello.
Kumar, tell me, please.
Sir, SQL and MSBI, these things are different or somehow related?
Different, related but different.
And sir, they like that Oracle database and MS SQL, these things, sir?
Because they are RDBMS databases. Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, these are RDBMS databases. But
Okay.
I mean, PostgreSQL, MySQL, but MSBI, they're data warehouse related. MSBI, Power BI, Tableau, they're data warehouse tools.
No, sir, I am asking that MS SQL, MySQL, and Oracle, these all are the same thing or different?
Same, but different platforms, different syntaxes, but concept is same. Concept is RDBMS only, right, Kumar?
If someone knows one, I mean, like SQL, then he or she can study the Oracle as well as MySQL easily.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Anybody is there from Pune location with this training? Piyush, are you from Pune?
No, sir. I'm from Nagpur.
Nagpur, okay. Because Piyush Shinde, I have some colleagues in Pune with the name Shinde. Right.
And sir, one more thing. Sir, currently the market is related to SQL side or no SQL side?
No SQL is, that is, I think, I don't know much about NoSQL, but NoSQL is cloud related, right? I mean, something is there. What is that? Famous only. Big data, Hadoop.
Yes.
So there, that is cloud related. These are on-premises databases. They are cloud databases, cloud storage. That is different technology.
Okay. Sir, I also studied MongoDB.
Oh, MongoDB. Okay.
So, if we compare MongoDB with SQL, so means they have MongoDB doesn't have table structure.
Oh.
So, how means what is the?
No. Do one thing. Just don't
Yeah.
go for comparison, Chirayu.
Okay.
Don't go for comparison. Better, because if you're going for comparison, what happens? You face confusions. That is the problem.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, you also told that you are also teaching Power BI, I mean data visualization tool.
Right.
Sir, right now in the market, which visualization tool is in more demand? I mean,
see, I'm not saying like I'm going to teach Power BI. So Power BI is the megastar in the market, not like that. But we have equal openings for Power BI and Tableau also.
Okay, both are almost equal priority.
Equal market.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Right, all of you. It's 8 o'clock. Of course, we can spend some more time. Don't worry. Okay. 8 o'clock. Is not like that.
Sir.
Come on, tell me.
Sir, one question, but I think that you may have some idea. That's why I'm trying to ask you. That sir, as I'm looking for making a career in data analytics. So along with SQL, what are the other things I should know?
Data analytics basically starts with SQL part only, then some tool, any data analysis tool. Okay.
Okay, like Power BI or Tableau.
Power BI or Tableau.
Sir, these two, I mean, will be sufficient to get an entry-level job?
No doubt. No doubt.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Shivaprasad Pulivarti, can you hear me? Shivaprasad, you joined at the ending of this session today, it seems. Right, Shivaprasad? Okay, no problem. See you tomorrow.
Hello. Actually, if I want to make my career as a DBA,
you please do one thing, and you please connect to morning 8 o'clock class. Tomorrow morning 8 o'clock class. Do you have a link for that? Morning 8 o'clock link?
I don't have, sir. If I can study both SQL Server and DBA, is that enough to make the career in the SQL side?
Sure, and no issues. You can do.
Sure. Oh no, should I learn any other languages also additionally?
Nothing is required. SQL developer, SQL DBA is more than enough to build career.
So can you help me share the DBA link also, sir? I can take both the classes simultaneously.
Sure. Kavita, you please type your email ID. You have chat facility. Type your email ID. Now only I'll send you the link for database administration. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Thanks, sir.
Please type your email ID.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Lingana.
Sir, only one question, sir.
Why
For the
not? Yes.
MSBI, so how is the career and how it is the future, how it is the market? So it is. So that's what I'm.
Frankly speaking, MSBI is good, but nowadays, this is just my suggestion only. Don't follow me. Okay. Better to go for Power BI, right? Better to go for Power BI, right?
Okay, adios, sir.
Right. Kavita, please give me your email ID. Type your email ID. You have chat facility in Zoom meeting.
I sent ready, sir.
You already sent it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Where I can see messages here and chat, there is no message, Kavita.
No message. Just
Hi,
now.
Kavita, you send me, not sir.
Oh, sorry.
You send it to me. You send it to me. You send it to me.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. No problem.
Oh, Vadi Suresh. Sorry, sir.
Yeah. Kavita, are you attending from Chennai?
No, sir. I am attending from Singapore.
Very good. Very good.
Actually, I'm changing my career to IT side, so I'm learning this.
Sure.
Actually, I'm working in the HR side only. I want to change for IT side.
Okay. Kavi.mahadevan@gmail.com, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, I sent you 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock DBA class link. Please check your email.
Okay,
na?
sir. Okay, sir. Thanks.
Okay. Right, all of you. See you tomorrow, 7 p.m. IST. Okay. Right,
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.